Hi mini friends, it's April and Mickey B. Okay, so today I went ahead and went to Target because I got an alert that they finally had the Miniverse Make It Mini Spongebob Squarepants mystery balls or mystery capsules, and I went ahead and got two. One should be Get a Job soup, and the other one should be some form of the Krabby Patty. So I should have gotten Get a Job soup and the Krabby Patty because those were the only two when I went online. When I got them online for pre-sale a few months ago, those were the only two I didn't get. So I got one of each. So today we'll do the unboxing, and then I was thinking about doing another video this week, and there'll be unboxing, and then there'll be the crafting video. So maybe we'll start doing that where it's like on a certain day of the week I'll do the unboxing of it, and then on the other a couple days later you'll get another video and it will be the crafting video. Let me know in the comments what you think about that, having 2 videos per week, dividing them up so it's not as long of a video. And that way you can kind of, if you like the unboxings, watch the unboxings. If you like to just see the crafting, then you have the option just to see the crafting. That way you don't have to fast forward through any of the videos. So I thought that could be a good idea. Let me know what you think about that. So these are the 2 balls I got. I went on minimo.co. And you can see right here, there is a pinhole. And on this one, where was it? It's right here. So, I believe this one should be Get a Job soup, and then this one should be the Krabby Patty, if I remember correctly. I might be remembering that backwards. So, just like before when we saw these last, this is what it looks like up and close. I actually got a new light system, so we can see this a little bit better. And don't mind my poor doggy. He is just whining because I won't put him in my lap. So that's what that one looks like. So let's open this one first. Whoa. Okay. There's this. Okay, and then so this is what the inner wrapper looks like. Look, it's SpongeBob backwards. There he is. And then we've got the chum bucket. More SpongeBob. And so that's what the inner wrapper looks like. And then just like before, this is the bikini bottom house. And then we just squeeze it and open it. And so the first thing we want to take a look at is the collector's guide. We want to take a look at the collector's guide first and see what that looks like. So this is the collector's guide. I'll be right back. Hold on one moment. Okay, I'm back. So this is the collector's guide. And so they have little scenes from the movie, so the Krabby Patty, or it's actually scenes from the TV show on some of these. And then we got the pretty patties that we've done before. And then we have the kitty meal just doesn't look appealing to me, so I didn't get it. And I didn't get, I couldn't find any Gooby Sundae, the triple Gooby berry sunrise sundae, so I didn't get that one. But I really wanted the soups. I'm not gonna be able to collect everything for Miniverse, but I think the one thing I'm gonna try to collect are the soups, because in my life I love soup. Let's see. And then there's the bikini bottom house. I wanted another bikini bottom house because somehow mine got damaged. I don't know, maybe it fell or it dropped, but it got damaged. But I only had 1 box on the shelf when I went, and it looked like someone had gotten almost all of them. So I wasn't able to grab that. But maybe I will find one Sunday soon. And then there's the chum bucket that we don't want. Okay, so that's the collector's guide. And as we remember, there is gum on the bottom of the table. And we're going to put our table together. Let's see, I think it's this packet that has the table bindings. Yep. So we're going to put the table together really fast. Okay, so we're going to put on our steering wheel. I don't know, what do they, the helm, I guess it's called a helm. It's not really a steering wheel, it steers the ship, but I'm going to put the spokes on our helm. Wonder why they call cars steering wheels and the helm for ships. I don't know, if you know, leave a comment. I want to hear from you. Love your comments, everybody. It helps the algorithm. So, any comment you can give me is much appreciated. Okay, so we've got all the spokes on our table. Almost. There we go. Okay, so we got that put together. And then, let's see. We've got that for the background. I don't really, maybe I will. Yeah, I don't really feel like putting together the Bikini Bottom house, but I think I'll do it anyways. So, let's do that really fast. Where does this go? Does it go here? Or I think it goes like right here, maybe. There it goes. Okay. Put that there. Okay. A little spoon dropped out. Okay. So we got the soup. This one's the soup. It's got the ABC pasta. We'll take a look at that one in a moment. Okay, so this one has the big, pretty blue bowl. And a can of peas. And then this one I like how they put Spongebob's face on it in the sundae. Yep. Open that up. I was like, what? It's another can of peas now. It's got coral soup. And I feel like I'm missing something. Ah! They didn't give us a thing to put for... Oh, yeah, they did. It's right here. Haha. So we got our table put together. We've got our spoon. We've got our bowl. We've got our our tongs, or there are tongs. Got a can of peas. Okay, so let's open up the peas. Oh, these are tiny. Like, it looks like little pieces of confetti. They're so small. I'll pour them in so you can kind of see what they look like in a bowl. Oh my god, they're spilling everywhere. I gotta find the one pea that fell. I'll find it later. A pea went rogue somewhere. Oh well. So, a can of peas. And then we have the coral soup, which is the resin, which I will not open. And then we have our ABC pasta. So inside the pasta. This kind of reminds me of the lettering on the Make It Mini from Scratch series for the cake that we did. To put the letters on for the cake. They're just they're just a different color. So those were pink, and these are, looks more like pasta. So these look more like pasta, I think. So we'll make this in another video. This is what the pasta looks like. And that is it for Get a Job. Wait, oh, there's a couple things I'm missing. So this is the instructions about the resin. Also comes with the job listings, which is in, it has no words. It just says job listings with made up words on it. So got the job listings and then a box. I don't remember the episode with Get a Job soup, so I'm not understanding what the box is for. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put my soup in here when it's done. Does he ship the soup off somewhere? I'm gonna have to watch that episode again so we understand the reference for the box. But this is the box. It's kind of nice because then I can make more boxes this size, so kind of gives me a reference for what Miniverse boxes look like because I've never had one. So that is it for Get a Job soup. I'm gonna clear this off and then we'll take a look at the next capsule. So this is the other ball I picked up. So this one should be the Krabby Patties. I'm hoping it is. So let's open it up. Okay. This one's harder to open. There you are. Okay. Okay. So it looks like we've got a different table. So for the Krabby Patty, we still got the gum on the bottom of the table, but it looks like we have a different color table. So I like this. This is more fun. So we got the Krusty Krab placemat. And then we got this. Okay, so we have mustard. And we have ketchup. And then we've got the nozzles for both. Oh, we got some patties. We've got the Krabby Patties. They're frozen. So I was thinking with the extra chum bucket I got, we could make salmon burgers. I think that would be a fun remix to doing the chum bucket. What do you guys think of that? It just reminds me of the same color as salmon patties, so it'd be kind of cool. We can make that as well. So these are the burgers. Got the nice grill marks on them. We get 2 of those, so that's nice. I like the blue and green color. I always like blue and green together. I think that's really neat. Growing up, those are pretty fun colors to put together. There's that. Okay, and so instruction booklet on how to play with resin. And then we already looked at this earlier. Okay, so ooh, pickles. I love pickles. Oh, and onions. Look at the onions. The tomato. I really like the pickles. I would like to someday pick up another one of these. Maybe when another shipment comes in at some point. To get more pickles. Because these are neat. I love the pickles. Yeah. It reminds me of a Burger King burger for the onions and the pickles and the tomato. Because those are things you don't see on a McDonald's burger. And then they had the lettuce and the cheese together. Under the sea cheese. Under the sea cheese. Got the toppings falling on the floor. Okay, so this is just the contents to the house. And we do have a nice spatula now. I tried 3D printing a spatula and failed at it, so it's kind of nice that I got this so I don't have to worry about getting a spatula. Okay, so that's that. And last but not least, we have buns. We got the buns, hun. We got the buns. We got the buns. We got the buns. Okay. Got 2 buns for 2 burgers. Ooh, what is this? Ooh. This looks like a message in a bottle. So that's neat. I wonder if it floats in water. What, does it open? Let's see. Ooh, the cork does feel like rubber. Do you guys want me to open this up and tell you what's in it, or do you want me to keep it a secret? I don't even know if it will come out. Nope, won't even come out. So I will leave it in there for right now. But that's neat. Must be some secret in there. Okay, so that's it for the Krabby Patty burger, which I'm going to be very excited to make because it looks like the most burgery burger we have so far. Not that the other Krabby Patty or the Pretty Patties weren't burgers. This just feels more like a burger to me, so that's exciting. So that is the unboxing I have for you today. Not very long, but it kind of cuts down on the video time for the next video. So our next video, I will be making the Krabby Patty and I will be making the Get a Job soup. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day and thank you for watching. Bye!